It is feared a missing fisherman may have been eaten after human remains were found inside a crocodile. A 69-year-old man was reported missing after heading out fishing at roughly 3 p.m. on Thursday in central Queens. On Saturday, a 4.2-meter-long crocodile was found in Cairns. The animal was caught and euthanized by Department of Environment and Science officers near Hinchin. It was found near the missing fisherman's upturned boat. A specialist located human remains. The man had gone fishing in Gayunda Creek near Hinchin Brook Island. He was due back after an hour but failed to return, and his wife. Officers found his upturned boat about 2:30 a.m. on Friday with damage suggesting a crocodile. Police conducted a search using boats and aircraft, drones and traps. They were helped by the state emergency. They found some human remains before locating the crocodile. Police said the man was experienced on the water but had no safety equipment with him. Other investigations are ongoing. Officers will prepare a report for the